Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Thomas Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing what a VPN is. Now you might have seen a VPN ad. You might be thinking you might need one. We're going to be discussing what it is and why people use it in this video. Now guys, this video is sponsored by two excellent VPN providers. They're actually some of my top VPNs rated here in the channel, which is why they sponsored the channel, because they're good products and they believe you guys will find them very good. It's going to be sponsored by TorGuard and Surfshark both. These are excellent VPN providers and I'm going to be using them as examples in this video. If you're interested in either one of these VPNs, click the links in the description down below. Surfshark is excellent for its speeds and streaming compatibility, flexibility, as well as bundled deals, which also include antivirus and a thing called Incogni, which can remove your information from websites like white pages, which is pretty essential nowadays if you don't want to get doxxed. TorGuard on the other hand is the budget option if you just want a core simple VPN solution that is very fast, very good customer support, and very simple. TorGuard is an excellent choice too, and it's extremely affordable at around you could get it for $30 a year, $70 for 3 years, etc. Very cheap. So check out, I'll be putting links for both these in the description down below. So first up guys, I want to talk about a little diagram here that I made. Now this diagram is very simple. This is basically your computer and you have a VPN app installed on it. You connect to the internet through your internet service provider, whether you have Verizon, Comcast, Cox, anything like that. And then once you connect to the internet, it's going to connect to the VPN server, and then the internet will not be able to see your IP address and unencrypt your traffic. So you're protected against two things here, and this is why people use VPNs: one, against your ISP, and two, against the internet. The ISP can't see information on your computer since the VPN application and protocol is encrypting it. Internet can't see your computer's information or your IP address because the VPN server that you're connected to is sharing that information, and it's not sharing your information. So the way this works is that when you have no VPN, let's delete this and delete this. So when you connect through your computer to the internet, your internet service provider is going to be able to see your traffic, stuff like the websites you visited and stuff like that, as well as what you're doing on your computer, whether you're torrenting, gaming, etc. And then the internet is also going to be able to see the information from your internet service provider and your computer. So they're going to be able to see which internet service provider you're using and the computer address you're using, or your IP address. Think of it like your kind of virtual address. So this is kind of how people will ascertain your somewhat of a realistic location, or just generally information about you. If you're torrenting without a VPN, this means that people are going to be able to see you. Your ISP will be able to forward copyright complaints or anything like that. Websites are going to be able to see your general location, and it's definitely going to de-anonymize you. So definitely you're going to want a VPN if you're concerned about any of those things. Additionally, if you're in a coffee shop and you connect to a rogue hotspot, people are going to be able to see your information, but a VPN will protect you against that too. There are also a lot of other different regions for using a VPN, like unblocking geo restrictions. Some people use VPNs to take advantage of the unique capability of appearing elsewhere. So you could make services think you're in a different country, which can be very useful for unlocking game betas or even accessing special streaming services. So how does it exactly work exactly? Well, here we have a VPN application, and this is the first step as I outlined. And pretty much it's very simple. All you're going to do is click connect, and then it's going to connect to the internet through your ISP. And then once that's connected, you're going to be connected to the VPN, and the internet is not going to be able to see your IP address. As you can see, it's very simple. With most applications, looks like I'm already connected to Surfshark. And it might be causing issues here, but we did manage to still connect. So we're connected to two VPNs right now. So this is connected to Surfshark, or TorGuard and Surfshark. So it can get a little confusing there, but basically that's really all there is to it. Now we're connected here. So there are also other ways to kind of ensure this stays connected. For example, a lot of VPNs will have things called kill switches. Now, what exactly is a kill switch? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. Maybe think of a nuke or something like that. You basically can ensure that you won't be able to connect to the internet unless connected with TorGuard. It's as simple as enabling this kill switch. As you can see, block all connectivity if VPN is connected. Surfshark also has this feature somewhere around here. It should be, kill switch right here. So definitely something you want to take advantage of if you're worried about ever leaking or disconnecting from your VPN. Most VPNs also have ways to auto connect at boot, as you can see here with this one as TorGuard. This one also has that feature, Surfshark, so they're all pretty similar in that aspect. And generally when using a VPN, one of the things you do kind of want to set up first is to make sure it's using WireGuard. As you can see, for some reason Surfshark was using OpenVPN. WireGuard is the newest one, and that's the one I recommend using. With TorGuard, you can also switch it by just the defaults to WireGuard, which is nice, but you can switch it here and select a different protocol. WireGuard is just the newest one, it's the fastest, it uses less battery on your phone, etc. And these applications will support on phone too. So that's pretty much all you really need to do to set up. Make sure you're using WireGuard and a kill switch, and you should be pretty good to go. Generally, when connecting, you also want to make sure you're connecting to a server that's close by your location. So these VPNs both have plenty of server locations and will have a server location in your location. All right, guys, I hope that was a basic explaining on what a VPN is, why people use it, and how to use it at a basic level. Let me know if you have any comments down below, and I'll help you with that. And use my links and these recommendations if you want to help support the channel. The two excellent products, and I'll see you again very soon.